সকলো অসমীয়া ভিউৱাৰ্ছৰ কাৰণে অসমীয়াত লিখা ৰেচিপিটো ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যন বক্সত পাব। Today we are going to make ghugni. This is not the chole which we regularly find in the North India and the other states. Ghugni is a recipe which is quite famous in West Bengal and Assam, and also in the northeastern states. Today we are going to make it with yellow peas. So for that we have to soak the yellow peas for around 4 hours and then whistle it for around 7 to 8 times. To make the ghugni, first we have to heat 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we have to add the ginger and garlic paste and fry till the raw smell vanishes away. We have to put in the tomato and onions and cook it well for a few minutes. We have to add the masala, the salt and turmeric as well, and then stir it. You can add water, and if not, then you can cover and cook it for around a few minutes until the tomatoes turned out to be mushy. You have to add the boiled peas and 2 chilies and also the fried potatoes. Just keep in mind to cut the potatoes in small pieces and then fry it for a while until it's 3/4 cooked. It will add into the taste of this ghugni. Now I have reserved some peas stock and then have poured into it, and also a little bit of water. We have to bring it into medium consistency, so you can cook with a lid on or without a lid until it looks like this, the one which is shown in the video. I must tell you that if you are planning to make ghugni, then you should also plan to make lusi, and the link I have given in the end of this video of Assamese style lusi, which is prepared with nigella seeds. It's a unique thing. I hope you will like it. Today I'm going to have it with ajwain puri, and along with it I have added a little bit of chutney to add into the punch. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and definitely give it a try in your kitchen as well. For such recipes, please like, share and subscribe into my channel, and thanks for watching the video.